Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by turning voice control on so your iPad listens. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Voice Control, tap Set up Voice Control and let it download any required language files. Once done, make sure the microphone is active and the correct language variant is selected. You'll see a blue microphone icon when listening. Now test basic commands like Open Safari and tap Address Bar, so you confirm the device responds before you customize or train any commands. Next, you'll tailor voice control to your habits. Go to Customize Commands to turn command groups on or off, like navigation or editing. To add a new command, type the phrase you'll speak, assign the action such as a tap or text insertion, and restrict it to an app if needed. This reduces accidental triggers. Once done, record pronunciations or set confirmation prompts for risky actions. Make sure to test each custom command immediately, so you refine phrasing and reduce false positives. Now you'll put voice control into regular use and finalize setup. Practice speaking naturally in use, show commands when unsure about phrasing. Remember, dictation differs from command mode. Say punctuation like comma or period when dictating. If performance drifts, train by refining custom commands or retraining pronunciations. Finally, if voice control stops responding, toggle voice control off and on, check microphone access in settings, and restart your iPad. That single troubleshooting tip fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.